Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Syed Muhammad Usman and I have been teaching in Peckins for the last 5 years. Today I am going to talk about SAT. If you join Peckins for your SAT exam, this is how you are going to learn and how you are going to ace your SAT exam. First of all, when you join Peckins, we'll be teaching you for 5 weeks. And in these 5 weeks, we'll be working on different things throughout to get you the best score you can in your SAT exam. First of all, when you join Peckins and when you start your classes, in the very first week, we usually teach you about your basic grammar and basic maths. In this first week, we will give you drills and exercises on tenses and on your basic maths related to algebra, arithmetic, geometry, and your data sufficiency part. Once you have learned all the topics and all the concepts of basic maths and basic English, in the second week, we'll move towards your SAT exam, and we will first of all let you know about the format of your exam. You'll be facing 4 or 5 exams depending whether आपका जो विद ऐसे ले रहे हैं या विदाउट ऐसे ले रहे हैं. 4 से 5 सेक्शन होंगे. विद ऐसे 5 सेक्शन, विदाउट ऐसे 4 सेक्शन. We'll be discussing the format of every exam in detail, and we will also talk about the different tips and tricks that are needed to solve your exam, whether it be your English or maths exam. After this, we will start developing your vocabulary, and we will give you a word bank. We will give you lists which you will have to learn, which will help you in building your vocabulary and improving your overall English. After this, we'll be teaching you how you can solve questions as early as possible in as much less time as possible. ताकि आपका जो पेपर का जो टाइमिंग का इशू है, सम स्टूडेंट्स दे फेस दिस इशू के वो विद इन ड्यू टाइम पेपर को कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाते, तो वो आप उसके ऊपर हमारी प्रैक्टिस होगी. इसके बाद हम जब आपको पेपर फॉर्मेट और टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स एंड स्ट्रैटेजीज डिलीवर कर देंगे इन योर कमिंग वीक्स और टूवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ योर कोर्स, वी विल बी डूइंग डिफरेंट मॉक एग्जाम्स, जिसके अंदर आपको पूरे SAT के पेपर्स दिए जाएंगे जो आप क्लास में रियल टाइम में सॉल्व करेंगे. और इसमें आपको टाइम बाउंड भी किया जाएगा ताकि आप पे पेपर का प्रेशर बने, और जो एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में एक एंग्जाइटी और नर्वसनेस आप डील करते हैं वो आप यहीं पे फेस कर लें. इससे आपको फ़ायदा ये होता है कि व्हेन यू गो इन योर एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, यू आर नॉट नर्वस एट ऑल एंड यू आर नॉट एंक्शियस, which helps you in solving your paper. If you keep calm, then you can score better and you can pay attention to the questions. And the timing for SAT classes are 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. at night, and this is for Gulberg branch of Peckins, which is located in Firdaus Market. You can always come to this branch and talk to me personally if you have any questions or if you need any information regarding SAT. And you can also call on the number given below. And for some of you, मैं कहूँगा जिनके लिए टाइम सूटेबल नहीं है, we have online sessions as well. You can join online sessions as per your needs, and it will be catered for you personally, where you can learn SAT online and give your exams. Thank you.